How to send Ethereum from Metamask to Binance. So after you open up now your Binance app like this now, go ahead and tap on this asset button to copy the address. After you come to asset, go to deposit. So from this section now, go and search for ETH in this search bar. ETH like this now. So here is Ethereum, select the Ethereum network. So from this option now, go ahead and select the network. You can choose Ethereum or any network. I will choose Ethereum. So after you select the network like this now, so tap on this copy button. Now you copy the Ethereum address from Binance. So now go back and open up now your Metamask app. So after you open your Metamask, now allow it to finish loading. After you open Metamask like this now, all you have to do now, go ahead and tap on this Ethereum, this one. So after you tap on the Ethereum like this now, all you have to do now, if you want to send the Ethereum, after you open the Ethereum like this, now go ahead and tap on this send button. So now go ahead and paste in the address that you copy from Binance. Tap on this next now. So now type in the amount that you want to send from your Metamask. I'll send 0.8 of Ethereum. So now if I tap on this next button, now the Ethereum will be sent into my Binance account. That's it, guys.